This video is about how to use the features of the smart locks. Be it a touchscreen of the touchscreen handle, or it's a touchscreen deadbolt, or it's a physical button latch. Either way, all the features in the application is same. I'll show you how to configure and how to use the application now. If you want to share this lock and send an e-key to your friend, send an e-key. Choose type, whether it could be timed or it could be permanent. If it is timed, from what time to what time. So I'll select timed for now, and the account I'll give here as, so enter the number, give a name, give an active time to expiry time. I'll give another time, let's say select some 16th, and then I'll say send. Now it will send. It says e-key successfully sent. Now what happens on the other phone? See, now if you see the e-key that I have sent before, it come here. So it will show like this. Now what I have to do is this e-key will be able to open the door. There you go. However, if this e-key wants to give a passcode or a permission to someone else, you have to authorize this one. So go on to the e-keys and find the e-key, and now you manage what you want to do. What I can now do is either I can freeze, which means that it will stop, it will not work anymore, or what you can do is you can change the validity. I can change the timing from whatever timing to whatever timing, or I can even delete this. Now, if I don't want to give an e-key, an electronic key, because the electronic key only works if the Bluetooth is on and if it can find via Bluetooth. What if you wanted to give a passcode for someone, an entry or an access to someone who is not having the application downloaded? What you can do is you can send a passcode. You can give a permanent passcode, which is permanent. So what you can do is you can generate the passcode and you will get a number there. You can give this number and it will start working. Or you can go from time. What that means is it will work from this time and between. You can choose whatever time you wanted to end it to, and you can generate the passcode and you can give it to them. What that means is it will work only between this time and this time only. It will not work after the time. Now, if you want to give one-time access only, for example, your plumber comes in or your courier boy comes in, and if you want to give them only one-time access, you generate the passcode and then read that passcode to them, and that will only give access once, and once the door has been closed, you won't be able to open with the same passcode. If you want to give a customized code, in the sense if people only wants to have one particular passcode, then what you can do is you can still set the time here and you can set the passcode, and then I have to change the time. Press OK, and the set passcode, it will give a chance for me to give the passcode, and I will say OK, and it will set the passcode there. And it will give a success, passcode has been copied, so that's done. Now, what is cyclic? Cyclic is a passcode where you wanted to give to your cleaner who comes every Wednesday from between 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. and then you can change that, and then you can do that every Wednesday, or you can choose any weekdays or any day, and then and then just generate the passcode and then you give it to them. Whatever passcodes, if you want to manage a passcode, go into the passcode and see what passcodes you have already given to them. If it is a permanent passcode, you can delete it, or if it is customized, you can change it. If the permanent one, I can delete, or I can change the validity from the permanency to a particular time only, or I can delete that. If you want to see who used it what time, then go into the records and you can clearly see the timestamp of who used what time and what pin code. This one is particularly with eKey and this one is with eKey as well. If you want to change anything in terms of name, or if you want to group anything, then you can group them into, if you have 5, 6, 7, 8 or so many logs, then you can group them into bundles. You can change the name and you can change the validity, or you can delete it.